Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow forum backlink, and also you guys are able to create your profile backlink and your forum backlink, and your backlink is should be the do follow. And another advantage of this website, if you guys will create your backlink should be going to index in Google database. Okay. So overall this is a very best website, so where you guys will create your backlink. So before the started we can do some research. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 71, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 57, and the spam score is only 1%. And if we can check this website traffic, so you will see this website having 60.7k monthly traffic, and the mostly traffic from Singapore, India, Pakistan, Vietnam, Malaysia, and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, then must you guys will consider this site for your backlinking. So you guys will so now we can start how we can create our backlink. So first thing, I can provide this website URL over the description section, so where you guys will navigate easily on the right landing page. So first thing, we can click on the register button, and you guys will accept the terms and condition. You can click on the agree. So there you guys will fill your all login details like your company username, your email address. So let me copy the email address from there, and you can put it over there. You can reconfirm your email address, then you guys will choose your password. There you guys will confirm your password, and you will see this is a question. So what to add for fruit salad? So there is a two option, things to include, things to exclude. So for the fruit salad, what we can include, keyboard is we can exclude, camera we can exclude, fridge we can exclude, bicycle we can exclude, apple we can include, and the vehicle we can exclude. Okay, after that you guys will click on the submit button. This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. Might be this question should be the different for you when you guys are creating. So you guys will make sure while creating this question. Okay. After that, this site will send you the verification email. So you guys will check your Gmail box. So I received, you can click on this. So the second number link is your activation link. Click on this, and your account is successfully activated. After that, you can click on the login button. There you can fill your login detail. Click on the login. So you are entered in this website. So you can see there is your username. Click on this. Click on the first option, user control panel, and click on the profile, and there you guys will fill your login your profile details. So like there you guys will add your occupations, your interest, either your birthday, a date of birth. So we are creating profile for the company, so make sure you guys will avoid all things. So only you guys will add your website URL. So there I can add my website URL. Location, you can add your location. Twitter, YouTube, and the Skype. There you can add your Twitter username. Either we can use a whole URL. So this is RX. Okay, so there we can use only username. Okay, I can include my username. So in the interest video interviewing software, so my keyword is, so I haven't added my keyword. So virtual interviewing platform, AI powered virtual interviewing platform. let me use my whole short title, and there I can add my Facebook username as well, location Google Plus, Skype, Twitter, YouTube, and after that you guys will click on the submit button. You failed. Okay, so we added a wrong information in the YouTube section. After, we can click on the submit, and our profile is successfully updated. You can click on the username, click on the profile, and there is a two-way to you can navigate on the profile landing page. So you can click on the profile, and this is your profile landing page URL. And if I can show you in incognito, so this is not the incognito. Okay, this is incognito. Click on this, and you will see this is your profile landing page URL. Profile name is Jobma. This is your interest. This is your location, and this is our website URL. If I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow. So you will see this is 100% do follow backlink. So next thing is, first we created a profile backlink on this site. So the next, how we can create a forum backlink on this site. So you can see top of the menu section, there is a expect forum section. You can click on this, and you will see there is a new topic. If you wanting to post a new thread, so from there you can post your new thread. And also if you wanting to reply on any thread, so you can simply click on this, click on any thread, and click on any thread. So there, that was a category, and you will see this is your reply thread section. So there you guys will add, put your message and your message title, then you can easily submit your reply. Okay, so let me click on this, click on, let me post first a thread on this site. So new thread, and there I can post what is interview management system, and let me generate a thread description, generate thread discussion description for this title, because I wanna to post on forum site. Accordingly generate a description. So we can also generate a description that would be the align with our thread. Keep short. And interview management tool system, interview process from scheduling and tracking to feedback collection to improve efficiency, recruiters. Yeah, and there we can put our thread a description. And if you wanting to insert a hyperlink on your any targeted keyword, so you can select your keyword. There is a hyperlink option. I don't know how to include URL, so let me ignore these things for now, because I don't have idea to for this syntax, so that's why I can avoid this. After that, you will see there is a submit button. You can click on this, and you will see our thread is submitted. But the thing is, they will their team will verify your thread. If your thread is relevant to this website nature, then your thread should be going to approve. Okay, and also we discussed how you guys will reply on any thread. So overall we covered on this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion, or any things to you wanted to share, you can put your thoughts on the in the description section. And if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.